Hello, my name is Leo. Welcome back to a new episode. Today I'm gonna cover about time frames. There's a certain ways you gotta handle the time frame so that you could execute correctly and to profit. And I'm gonna explain to you guys how on the computer right now. All right, so on the time frame, every candlestick that you see here goes with whatever time frame you're set on. Right now I'm covering over here. You see it says 1 month, 1 week, daily, 4 hours, 3 hours, and so on, all the way to 1 second. So what does this mean? Every candlestick that you see here, I'll put it bigger so you guys can see it. Every candlestick here is equivalent to 1 month. So when this closes, the next one starts printing, that's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and so on. So now I'm gonna switch it to 4 hours. You're gonna see it looks slightly different, and it's because every candlestick on the 4 hours is equivalent to 4 hours. So you'll see down here on the time it says 20, then it's 0, then it's 4 in the morning, 8 o'clock, 12, so on, because every single stick that is printing out is every 4 hours. And the reason this is important is because based off the strategy that you're using, you need to determine what time frame, or what pattern, what combination of time frames you need. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at SKILLSART.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.